them the same items. That's not good because you have no idea what's happening out there. So collaborative filtering is still required, right? You still want to learn the rest because you want to do something that was surprising, or you want to explore. You don't want to sell them the same item all the time, right? And this is pure exploit. But if you just want to focus on learning the whole matrix itself, pure explore, you might lose users. Because users said, oh, why do you give me random stuff? And I don't like random stuff. Okay? I want us very good stuff straight away. So that's a balance. That's a balance between the two. How can you still learn the matrix using collaborative filtering while you still maintain the satisfaction of the users by showing them good values? Okay? Actually, we have a very nice paper with Hung Ngo at Eclipse 2015 exactly about this. We call it matrix factorization bandits. So how to use bandits to do matrix factorization?
Cool. I can also add regarding recommendation systems. So, like say you have database about different items, different users, right? And you learn. So that is traditional statistical learning, things like that. You collect data and then you learn and you define the system. But now the shopping behavior of one particular user changes day by day, right? We call it a session-based recommendation system. So the system, your system has a bunch of items to recommend. And now you want to learn which item to recommend to the users sequentially, right? Based on that session. Like today I need rice and fish sauce and things because it's already 1 month since the last time I bought. So I'm gonna buy those items in very kind of stable kind of way, like monthly, right? But the other day I want to search for perfume, for example. Very rarely I use perfume, but that day. So then I search for this and then I search for that. So the system should adapt to my kind of needs right at that kind of session, right? Instead of based on very stable behavior. So it needs to exploit the previous knowledge. We call it contextual information because we know the user beforehand. Then we also need to explore, okay, what the user is going to buy today for this particular session, right? So we need to balance between the two. So as long as it's kind of on top of traditional machine learning framework to provide kind of sequential and adaptive decision-making capability. Yeah. Good. So we have a break, and then we resume later on. Do you want to add anything else? No? Okay, good. Yeah.